Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a classic speed painting. I am painting a very cute Dalmatian for one of my patrons. Her name is Louise and she already received this pet portrait. So this was filmed quite a while back ago. The reason for this is that I took a few days off this past weekend. We went to the cabins, we had a pool. It was absolutely amazing and I had such a good time. I tried to disconnect completely from social media and from YouTube and my job and everything, and it was just what I needed. The reason I'm saying all of this is because I wanted to talk a bit about burnout, which is something I have experienced in the last few weeks. A lot has been going on in my life and I feel like the amount of work I've been doing was a bit too much, and yeah, this led to a burnout, which I have had before and I can recognize it when it happens. I usually push through it and don't really give myself a break, which is not a healthy thing to do. I think with burnouts, the best thing to do is to step away from everything, take a few days off and recharge, reset, and when you come back, you will want to do more and you will feel the need to get back into work because you missed it so much. Now, my burnout is pretty severe, I guess. I feel like the days I took off were exactly what I needed, but I still don't feel that urge to get back into things already. And I'm not sure if it's just the fact that I've been working so much, because I usually spend my weekends editing videos, filming videos, catching up on Patreon stuff, and that leaves very little room for social life and for relaxing and stuff like that. I usually work on Sundays as well, and during the week I work at my full-time job, which is full-time as you can expect it. So everything has been building up, and I'm trying to get my shop opened, and I had all this legal stuff to deal with for that, and yeah, it's just been a lot, you guys. So I'm trying to take it a bit slower, trying not to put so much pressure on myself, and I'm sure many of you can relate with this because we live in such a fast-paced world, and 2020 has not been the kindest year. It has been pretty hard to keep yourself positive mentally, and I've been feeling this a lot lately. So yeah, I just wanted to share this. I hope this video is not too much of a bummer. I know many artists in general experience this thing, but yeah, the content you will be seeing will not be affected by this because I did pre-film a lot of stuff because I have been working so much. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know if I'm being a bit more quiet here or anything like that. Don't worry, I will still be posting on my Patreon. My Patreon is my sacred place, and I appreciate all of my Patreons so much for everything they do for me, and I hope this reflects in the rewards they get and in the content they get. I hope you enjoyed this speed painting. Let me know if you experienced burnout and how have you dealt with it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!